In this video, I will teach you how to live on your Facebook page. Let's do it. First, open your Facebook app and log in into your account. Once you're inside your homepage, click your profile below and go to the page you want to make live. When you are already inside your page, you want to select what's on your mind. And below, you will see options and go select live video. And if you want to add a description to your live, just click here and go put a description of anything you want. Like, hey guys, watch my live. And you can also add what are you feeling right now or even what you're doing, like playing games, eating, drinking, travel. There's a lot of options right there. And if you want to invite some of your friends, just click invite guests and they can watch you or even join with you. And if you want to add filters, just click the magic one above and you can select a filter of anything you want. You can use them all for free. Just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.